I'm Helen Bird. I'm a licensed certified social worker and I have an office in Greenwich Village. I work with adults of all ages, both men and women, and I will work with any issue that you care to bring in. I do have a specialized training in trauma, including sexual abuse, and I have training in working with people in recovery. People seeking therapy are often in a state of great turmoil and a lot of emotional pain, and it's very important to me to be able to create a safe space for you and to help you feel understood and respected. My therapy style uses a synthesis of body, mind, and spirit and humanistic psychotherapies with the grounding in classical theories. And some of those include Gestalt, internal family systems, ego psychology, and cognitive behavioral. And I use these sometimes all in a session, sometimes one, according to need and your preference. And I work with you as a whole person and not as a diagnosis. I believe that a good match between therapist and client is of utmost importance. So I encourage an initial meeting to see if we have that kind of a connection. And so I hope that you will reach out with the information on this website and contact me, and I look forward to meeting you.